Stop studying outdated notes. In 2026, competitive exams have shifted from PPSC to FPSC and international job papers. The science and technology section is no longer about basic facts. It's about the AI revolution. If you don't understand how the modern world works, you're losing easy marks. Today, we are decoding the top 15 must-know tech MCQs for your upcoming exams. Let's get started. Question 1. First up, what architecture powers modern AI like GPT-4? The answer is Transformers. Unlike old models, Transformers process entire sentences at once. That is the science behind why AI feels so human. Question 2. Next, looking at 6G technology, what band will it use? It's terahertz. While 5G changed our phones, 6G will move to terahertz waves to provide speeds 100 times faster. Keep an eye on this one for 2026 papers. Question 3. What is the goal of edge computing? It's to process data closer to the source. Instead of sending data to a distant cloud, your device processes it locally. This is a favorite technical question this year. Question 4. In quantum computing, the basic unit is a qubit. Why is it special? Because through superposition, it can be 0 and 1 at the same time. This is the future of supercomputing. Question 5. Technology used for a digital twin? It's IoT and 3D modeling. This allows engineers to simulate a bridge or an engine in a virtual world before building it in the real one. Question 6. Cybersecurity is huge now. What is 2FA? Two-factor authentication. It's your best defense against hackers, requiring a second code from your phone. Question 7. What do we call an AI that can do any human task? AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence. We aren't there yet, but examiners love asking about the difference between narrow AI and AGI. Question 8. Blockchain is primarily known for decentralized record keeping. It's a digital ledger that no single person can edit or delete. It's the backbone of transparency. Question 9. Deepfakes are created using GANs, generative adversarial networks. One AI creates, the other detects. They compete until the fake looks 100% real. Question 10. Which web version is decentralized? That's Web 3.0. It's the user-owned internet, moving away from big tech control. Question 11. How do we make green hydrogen? Through electrolysis of water using renewable energy. It's the cleanest fuel on the planet. Question 12. Lidar technology is essential for self-driving cars. It uses laser pulses to create a 3D map of the world in real time. This is high-level physics in action. Question 13. What is NLP? Natural language processing. This is the science that allows your phone to understand your voice commands. Question 14. Who achieved quantum supremacy first? Google with their Sycamore processor. This marked a turning point in history. Finally, what is the fuel of AI? Big data and GPUs. Without high-performance graphics processing units, the AI revolution would stop today. There you have it, 15 questions that define the science and technology landscape for 2026. Understanding these isn't just about passing a test, it's about understanding the future.